Hi everyone, good afternoon. Chris Justice here alongside Griffin Hardy. We are watching closely live Super Doppler 4 in the alert mode as we are gearing up for the potential of severe weather. We've got a feisty line back toward the west, and our Doppler radar is giving us live data minute by minute as we map out these storms. Look at North Carolina. We've got heavy rain, some lightning, but nothing too concerning. Honestly, our severe threats coming in from the south and west. Some feisty storms from Dahlonega, north of Atlanta. This is pushing into our area. That's the main line that we need to watch out for between now and 7 o'clock. But out ahead of that are some cells that are trying to outrace that line. Should these move into our area and some areas that are frankly very warm and unstable, we could get some severe weather out of this initial line right here. We need to look a little bit further to the south. In Macon, Georgia, there's an active tornado warning. And then back toward the west, there has been this tornado on the ground for over 50 miles in Alabama. That is a confirmed tornado in Alabama moving east. So this is a very strong line, and as it moves through our area, it's going to be rocking and rolling. Really, 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock is our time frame for the worst of the weather. And we're watching these cells that are just south of us because look, we're just a couple of counties over from Elbert, Abbeville, Greenwood County. So within a matter of a couple of hours here, we'll be watching this activity roll into our area. Right now, these are tame in northeast Georgia, but we're watching it closely. There is some storm fuel that's building into our area out ahead of this line. We're tapping into some warmer, more unstable air. Tornado watches have been issued points westbound of our area. I do expect us to eventually go under a tornado watch at some point, and there unfortunately will likely be some tornado concerns later on this afternoon and evening, and certainly some wind concerns. We're under the medium to high risk for severe weather today, and as far as tornadoes are concerned, a high risk back toward Atlanta Metro and a medium risk as you get in closer to home. That does include the entire upstate and the southern parts of Henderson County and the mountains. Look at temperatures. This is the reason why we're in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees. That warmth fueling us. So we're in the alert mode now through about 6, 7 o'clock, but you see how the rain and storm chances drop off considerably going into the overnight, so no concerns while we're sleeping. Brand new computer model just came in, shows some of that activity that we're looking toward the south to roll through Greenwood, Abbeville, Lawrence, and Spartanburg between now, 4, 5 o'clock. Here comes that line, and this line itself is going to pack a punch. Very heavy rainfall, torrential rain there, lightning, and some gusty winds, and possibly embedded in this an isolated tornado. That through 7, 8 o'clock, and then the worst of that is beginning to push out of the area. As far as tornado ingredients, I see that building in between now and 4:30, 5 o'clock. 5:30 still here, and then by 6, 7, that's pushing into Union County, and then by 7 o'clock, most of us are free of the tornado condition. So what you can count on, we will keep you posted. WYFF News 4 at 4 o'clock, straight up in just about an hour. We're going to cut in as conditions warrant. Should there be a concerning storm just west of us, we will let you know. Stay with WYFF 4. We'll keep you posted all along the way.